Thank you for checking out Auto Drill's videos. Here we have a 4-spindle adjustable head. This is our 4C13 head. It's an ER20 style head, which is capable of doing up to a 1/2-inch hole. These spindles adjust on their own individual turrets, and the head is made to do an equally spaced bolt circle set of holes, or a perfect square hole. Here we have it set up to do a rectangular pattern, which is just a random rectangular pattern that it lands on. As you can see, if you move two of the spindles closer together, what happens is not only do they move closer together, they move closer to the other two spindles. Of course, if you take them back apart, you'll see them move away, and then actually once you get past that top dead center location, they start moving closer again. So people ask me if these heads can be used for any rectangular pattern, and the answer is no. They can only be used for patterns that they may naturally fall on, but they are not able to be adjusted to any rectangular pattern. They only really adjust to square and bolt circle patterns within their range is what we quote them for. If you have any questions, please contact us at autodrill.com or at 800-871-5022. Of course, internationally at 01-908-542-0244. Again, that's autodrill.com or via those phone numbers. Thank you.